When you eat beans, digestion begins the moment they reach your stomach. Stomach acid and enzymes start breaking them into smaller particles. But the real work happens in the small intestine. Here, proteins from beans are broken down into amino acids. These amino acids enter your bloodstream and travel to your muscles, helping with repair and growth. The carbohydrates in beans are complex. That means they break down slowly. Instead of a sharp sugar spike, you get steady glucose released into your blood. This gives you stable energy and helps your brain stay focused longer. Beans are also rich in fiber. Fiber does not fully digest, it moves into the large intestine, where it feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce compounds that support gut health and improve digestion. As nutrients circulate, iron helps carry oxygen through your blood. Magnesium and potassium support nerve signals and muscle function. Your heart benefits too, because soluble fiber helps manage cholesterol levels. However, there can be side effects. When gut bacteria ferment fiber, they produce gas. If your body is not used to high fiber intake, this can cause bloating or discomfort. Eating a large portion may also make you feel temporarily sluggish, because digestion requires energy and increased blood flow to the gut. Overall, beans provide plant protein, steady energy, and strong digestive support. The key is moderation. Increase fiber gradually. Drink enough water. A simple bowl of beans can fuel your body in a powerful and steady way.